Hey everyone! AI is evolving faster than ever, and a new player has entered the game, Deepseek AI. Some say it's a ChatGPT killer, while others believe it could even challenge Google itself. But does it really have what it takes? Let's break it all down in today's AI Showdown. So what exactly is Deepseek AI? Unlike traditional AI models, Deepseek AI is designed to be more intelligent, accurate, and adaptive. But the big question is, how does it compare to ChatGPT? Deepseek AI claims to have more powerful reasoning abilities, better long-form text generation, advanced real-time knowledge, and superior search capabilities. But let's not just take their word for it. Let's put Deepseek AI to the ultimate test. Alright, let's compare Deepseek AI and ChatGPT in 5 key areas. First, knowledge and accuracy. Which AI gives more precise answers? Second, creativity and writing. Which AI generates better stories, blogs, and scripts? Third, real-time information. Can Deepseek AI provide more up-to-date facts than ChatGPT? Fourth, coding and problem solving. Which AI is better for developers? And finally, search and research capabilities. Is Deepseek AI a real Google alternative? Whoa, some of these results are insane. Deepseek AI is definitely strong in reasoning and long-form generation, but can it really replace ChatGPT and Google? So, will Deepseek AI completely replace ChatGPT and Google? Not so fast. While Deepseek AI is incredibly powerful, ChatGPT still has the advantage of huge adoption, a vast dataset, and OpenAI's continuous updates. Here's the real takeaway. Deepseek AI is a serious competitor in the AI space. If it continues improving, it could reshape how we search, write, and interact with AI. But now, I want to hear from you. Which AI do you think is better? Deepseek AI or ChatGPT? Will AI ever replace Google? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this AI Showdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cutting-edge AI updates. Want to see more AI battles? Check out this video right here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Gap-1.0s. In this chapter, we dive deeper into the unique features of Deepseek AI. What sets it apart from other AI models? Let's find out. First up, Deepseek AI's advanced reasoning abilities. Unlike other AI models, Deepseek AI uses a multi-layered approach to reasoning, making it incredibly adept at understanding complex queries and providing logical, coherent responses. Imagine an AI that can not only answer your questions but also explain the reasoning behind its answers. Next, let's talk about long-form text generation. Deepseek AI excels in producing detailed, high-quality text for articles, blogs, and even scripts. Whether you're a content creator or a business professional, this feature can save you hours of work. Imagine having an AI co-writer that never gets tired. Now, on to real-time knowledge. Deepseek AI continuously updates its knowledge base in real time, ensuring that it provides the most current information available. This is a game changer for anyone who needs up-to-date data, whether it's for research, news, or even casual queries. Picture an AI that's always in the know. Another standout feature is its superior search capabilities. Deepseek AI integrates advanced search algorithms that can sift through massive amounts of data to find the most relevant information. It's like having a supercharged Google at your fingertips. Think of it as your personal data detective. Lastly, Deepseek AI offers enhanced personalization. The AI can adapt to your preferences and learning style, providing a more tailored and efficient user experience. Whether you're writing a report or learning a new skill, Deepseek AI adjusts to meet your needs. Imagine an AI that grows with you. So there you have it. Deepseek AI is packed with unique features that make it a formidable player in the AI landscape, but remember, technology is always evolving, and the true test will be how well it adapts and improves over time. Will Deepseek AI become the new standard? Only time will tell. If you found this deep dive into Deepseek AI's features fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth AI analyses. Want to see how it stacks up against other AI models? Check out our next video right here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Gap-1.0s. Now, let's take a closer look at ChatGPT. What are its strengths and weaknesses? How does it compare to Deepseek AI? First, let's talk about ChatGPT's strengths. One of its biggest advantages is versatility. ChatGPT is incredibly flexible and can be used for a wide range of applications, from casual conversation to professional content creation. Imagine an AI that can switch from being your chat buddy to your business assistant in an instant. Next up, user-friendly interface. ChatGPT is designed to be easy to use, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Its simple and intuitive interface allows users to start generating text with minimal setup. Picture an AI that's as easy to use as sending a text message. Another strength is its large training data. ChatGPT has been trained on a diverse dataset, making it capable of understanding and generating text on a wide array of topics. Think of it as a walking encyclopedia with a conversational tone. Now let's move to some of ChatGPT's weaknesses. One of the main challenges is consistency. While ChatGPT can produce impressive text, it sometimes struggles with maintaining consistency in longer conversations or documents. Imagine an AI that occasionally goes off topic or contradicts itself. Another issue is real-time information. Unlike Deepseek AI, ChatGPT doesn't update its knowledge in real time, which means it might provide outdated information. Picture an AI that knows a lot but isn't always up to date. Lastly, there's the matter of personalization. ChatGPT doesn't adapt to individual user preferences as effectively as Deepseek AI. This can make the user experience feel less tailored and efficient. Imagine an AI that's great at general tasks, but not as good at personalizing its responses to you. So there you have it. ChatGPT has its own set of strengths and weaknesses, making it a strong contender, but with room for improvement. How will it fare against Deepseek AI in the long run? Only time will tell. If you enjoyed this comparison of ChatGPT's strengths and weaknesses, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth AI analyses. Want to see how other AI models stack up? Check out our next video right here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Gap-1.0s. In this chapter we explore the real-world applications of Deepseek AI. How is it being used in various industries? First, let's dive into the healthcare sector. Deepseek AI is revolutionizing patient care by assisting doctors with accurate diagnostics and personalized treatment plans. It can analyze complex medical data and provide insights that help in early disease detection and better patient outcomes. Imagine an AI helping doctors save lives by spotting health issues that might be missed by the human eye. Next up, the finance industry. Deepseek AI is being employed to detect fraudulent activities and manage risk. Its real-time data processing capabilities are a game-changer for financial institutions, allowing them to react swiftly to potential threats and market changes. Picture an AI guarding your financial transactions, ensuring they are secure and error-free. In the realm of customer service, Deepseek AI is enhancing user experiences by providing instant, accurate responses to customer queries. Its ability to understand and generate human-like text makes interactions smoother and more satisfying for users. Imagine an AI that can handle customer questions and complaints efficiently, freeing up human agents for more complex issues. Let's not forget the education sector. Deepseek AI is being used to create personalized learning experiences for students. It can adapt to individual learning styles and paces, making education more accessible and effective. Picture an AI tutor that knows exactly how you learn best and helps you achieve your academic goals. Lastly, in the field of research and development, Deepseek AI is accelerating innovation by analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns that can lead to breakthroughs. It's being used in everything from drug discovery to environmental science. Imagine an AI that can sift through years of research in seconds, pointing scientists towards the next big discovery. As you can see, Deepseek AI is making significant strides across various industries, proving its versatility and value. How will it continue to evolve and impact our world? Stay tuned to find out. If you found this exploration of Deepseek AI's real-world applications fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting AI content. Want to see more on how AI is shaping the future? Check out our next video right here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Gap-1.0s. Now let's look at how ChatGPT is being used in the real world. What are some of its most impressive applications? First, let's explore the realm of content creation. ChatGPT is being utilized by writers and marketers to generate compelling articles, social media posts, and even video scripts. Imagine an AI helping you craft engaging content that captures your audience's attention. Next, in the customer service sector, ChatGPT is enhancing user experiences by providing instant, accurate responses to customer queries. Its ability to understand and generate human-like text makes interactions smoother and more satisfying for users. Picture an AI that can handle customer questions and complaints efficiently, freeing up human agents for more complex issues. In education, ChatGPT is being used to create personalized learning experiences for students. It can generate practice questions, explain difficult concepts, and even provide feedback on assignments. Imagine an AI tutor that helps you understand challenging subjects and improve your grades. In the field of entertainment, ChatGPT is revolutionizing the way we interact with games and virtual environments. It can generate dynamic dialogues, create intricate storylines, and even help design characters. Picture an AI that makes your gaming experience more immersive and engaging. Lastly, in the area of mental health, ChatGPT is being used to provide support and companionship. It can engage in meaningful conversations, offer advice, and even help track mood changes. Imagine an AI that's always there to listen and support you through tough times. As you can see, ChatGPT is making significant contributions across various fields, proving its versatility and potential. How will it continue to shape our future? Stay tuned to find out. If you found this exploration of ChatGPT's real-world applications fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting AI content. Want to see more on how AI is shaping the future? Check out our next video right here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Gap-1.0s. In this final chapter, we discuss the future of AI. What can we expect from AI in the coming years? How will Deepseek AI and ChatGPT evolve? Gap-1.0s. As technology advances, AI models will become even more sophisticated, allowing for more nuanced and human-like interactions. Imagine AI that can understand not just words, but emotions, context, and intent on a deeper level. This would enable AI to provide even more personalized and effective assistance in various fields from healthcare to customer service. Gap-1.0s. One exciting possibility is the integration of AI with augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. Picture an AI that can guide you through a virtual tour of a historical site, or assist you in a VR-based learning environment. This could revolutionize the way we experience education, entertainment, and even social interactions. Gap-1.0s. Another area of growth is in ethical AI. As AI becomes more embedded in our daily lives, ensuring that it operates fairly and ethically will be crucial. Researchers are already working on AI models that can make decisions transparently and without bias, paving the way for a more inclusive and equitable future. Gap-1.0s. Moreover, the collaboration between different AI systems like Deepseek AI and ChatGPT could lead to breakthroughs in problem-solving and innovation. Imagine a world where AI systems work together seamlessly to tackle complex challenges, from climate change to disease prevention. Gap-1.0s. Finally, the future of AI holds the promise of democratizing access to advanced technologies. As AI becomes more accessible, people from all walks of life will be able to harness its power to improve their lives, whether through personalized education, healthcare, or creative endeavors. Gap-1.0s. The future of AI is brimming with possibilities, and we are just beginning to scratch the surface. How will these advancements shape our world? Only time will tell. Gap-1.0s. If you found this exploration of AI's future fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting AI content. Want to dive deeper into the world of AI?